Caring isn't a one-time thing to us. It's a mindset we have, a culture we own. It's coming to know every customer as a friend and showing them that on the worst day of their life, we are there for them. There to rebuild and restore property, yes. But there also to lend our ears and arms when things get tough in the process. With thousands of projects completed, we have proven our desire to care for people. We are more than a disaster restoration and cleanup company. We are a shimmer of hope in the darkest of times. Because we care.